Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2021 Salem Villa Classic 4002Q destination trailer. This is a pretty cool 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom destination trailer. Some people even call them tiny homes, as a lot of people do live in these big destination RV trailers. We're going to take a few minutes, run you around the inside and then back to the outside of this cool RV. All right guys, we're now up inside this new 2021 Salem Villa Classic 4002Q destination trailer. And as you've seen on the floor plan that was popped up there a second ago, this is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath RV. Very cool setup here. This would make a great tiny home for a small family or something along those lines. This thing, again, 2 full bedroom, 2 full bath. Pretty cool setup. So we're going to walk around, show you everything. And start here in the center section. We have a freestanding tri-fold sofa. So that couch could be removed, replaced with something different if you wanted to put recliners or something like that aftermarket. But it does make into a bed. So you have a full-size bed here, which is kind of nice if you have extra guests. Freestanding table and chairs, again, could be replaced with something different if you wanted to do something different right there. But it is, again, freestanding, 4 chairs, has a little bit of storage in the bottom of each chair. Nice big windows overlooking the back side of the RV. They do open so you can get quite a bit of airflow through here. They have pulled down night shades on the windows. And also the glass is tinted, which is a really nice feature. It's like tinting the windows on your car. Just kind of helps keep things cooler. Kind of helps keep the sunlight from coming through, fading out your furniture and things like that. Now over here is the kitchen section. And over here on the back side, you have kind of a little pantry area back there with a couple drawers you see popping up. 18 cubic foot Whirlpool refrigerator, nice size fridge. The larger Whirlpool microwave you're seeing pop up there, along with some overhead cabinets above. So a decent amount of cabinet space there. A fairly good amount of counter space as well. A couple electric outlets on the wall there, but that gives you a spot to put your toaster, coffee pot, things like that out of the way. Down below that is some more storage, and you can see popping up there, you've got a decent amount of storage there and another little silverware drawer area. And then you have the Furrion gas oven 3-burner stovetop, which does have the glass front and the little glass lid on the top as well. High-rise faucet there, which is kind of a nice little sprayer faucet, and it does have a double bowl sink that you're seeing pop up there. Now looking over this direction here, you have an electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater, a Furrion sound bar, and then a decent size area there for a flat screen TV. You probably do somewhere around a 40-inch flat screen TV on a swing arm pretty comfortably right there. Up above you can see the electric ceiling fan. That is a 110 volt ceiling fan, not 12 volt. Some brands use 12 volt versions, but that is 110. Air conditioning, this unit has 2 air conditioners on it, and it is ducted through the ceiling. 1 air conditioner is standard, the second is an option. Depending on where you're located at, you may or may not need that second air conditioner, but this one does have it. And they even do a little LED accent lighting up above the slide there that you're seeing. A little bit of carpet on the slide out section there, but most of this area is linoleum. The unit is a wood constructed aluminum exterior unit standard. Now you can get fiberglass as an option on some of these Salem Villa models if you do prefer fiberglass over aluminum siding. You have a large sliding glass door here to go in and out, and it has a pull down blackout shade also. Fire extinguisher down below. And over on the side of the cabinet here is your monitor panel, which has some light switches, the water heater on gas switch, the electric switch for the water heaters outside on the water heater, slide button, awning buttons, that type of stuff, all right here in this area. We're going to check out the main bathroom and the main bedroom, and then we'll head back to the rear of the coach and kind of go back to that section. Starting here from the floor up, we have a foot flush porcelain toilet. Little corner shower area here with the radius glass enclosure. You also have some storage below the sink and a decent sized mirror and overhead light. Skylight up above the shower area there. You have a little fan exhaust up top, and you also have another cabinet there with some more storage space. So pretty good sized bathroom for an RV this size, considering it is 2 full bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms set up. Now going back this little hallway section here, there is a central vac with a foot sweep for dirt pickup there. Into the main bedroom area here, you have an entry exit door here on the right. You have here on the left your air conditioner control for this section. Some overhead cabinets above the bed there. Little USB charger ports and electric outlet on both sides of the bed. Window on both sides of the bed that do open, and little nightstands again on each side of the bed. Room to get around each side of the bed as well, and plenty of room at the foot of the bed area too. Now this bed does actually raise up, so there is storage underneath of there. And when the unit comes in from the factory, they have a little box full of stuff like your central vac hoses and some little hubcap pieces for the tires and stuff like that as well. Over here you have a 6 dresser over here. So you got full extending ball bearing drawer guides that pull out. Nice big window that kind of looks out over the campsite area. And there's TV hookups there on the left if you wanted to set a TV up there or maybe mount it over on the left side of the wall, depending on how big of a TV you want to go with. But there's quite a bit of room there to do a large TV if you wanted to. And then you do have a decent sized closet here that goes full length of the front of the RV here. Again, guys, be sure to check out Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. They will definitely save you guys a lot of money on a new RV, and they do deliver as well. So a unit like this, not everybody has a big truck to haul something like this. So they do have freight companies that they deal with that can bring this right to your home or campsite, wherever you need it to go. Here is the second bedroom. Again, another queen bed area here. Now this bed here is completely freestanding. So you could actually totally remove this bed if you didn't want it in here and turn this into an office or sewing room or whatever you wanted to use it for. Yeah, you could do some pretty cool stuff back here, even if you didn't need it as a second bedroom. Overhead cabinets. Again, you have the USB chargers and electric outlets, windows on both sides of the bed, little nightstands as well. And room on both sides of the bed to maneuver around. Over here you can see we're going to pop up some pictures. You have quite a bit of cabinet space above and below, couple drawers, couple hanging closet sections, and a pretty good size area there again for a flat screen TV. Probably somewhere around a 40-inch TV would fit well there. Now back here is the second bathroom. And this second bathroom has an entry-exit door as well. So if you do have two separate families or two separate groups of people, whatever, they technically could come in and out this door to their bedroom and not have to go through the rest of the camper to disturb anybody. So this part's going to be a little tight, so we're going to pop up some pictures here as well. But over here you can see your sink, some storage, medicine or mirror, not medicine cabinet, but mirror there, overhead lighting. And back here you also have the foot flush toilet as well. And there's heat and air conditioning in both bathrooms as well. And a little corner shower area here. And another little exhaust fan up top. So again, two full bathrooms, two full bedrooms, and a little living room kitchen area in the middle. So you could definitely sleep a lot of people in here if you needed to, family-wise. Pretty cool setup. Now we are going to head to the outside of the unit, walk you around, show you some of the stuff on the outside as well, guys. Again, check out Couch's RV Nation. We'll be right back here to the outside of the RV. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of this new Salem Villa Classic here. And we are going to start in the front section of the RV. And this unit has two 30-pound propane tanks on the front with an auto changeover regulator here that you can flip back and forth manually, or it will actually bleed across in case one bottle runs out. There is a battery located right underneath the front section of the RV there. That comes from your RV dealer, not from the factory. There is room for two if you wanted to do a second battery, but it does come with one from Couch's RV Nation. There's also a battery disconnect underneath of there that you see pop up. And the unit has a manual tongue jack standard. There's heavy-duty safety chains, breakaway cable, 7-way Bargman plug for your lighting and brakes of towing, and a 2 5/16 hitch ball to tow it. There's also the hard bottle cover sitting there on the floor to cover and protect your gas bottles themselves. Now, there's a coating on the front of it right now that's taped up on there because it's getting ready to get delivered, and they put that on there so that it doesn't get little rock dings and stuff in transportation. But this one is actually headed out to Wisconsin. So that is why that is up there. So this is getting shipped out there. But it's got pretty cool little porch light things on the front of it as well. Now, this customer ordered it with the power awning instead of the manual awning. Some customers choose to do no awning as they're going to build a big deck and porch and roof everything around it. So you can do manual standard, power option, or if you don't want one, request it to be deleted from your salesperson. They'll kind of go over that stuff with you. Deep tint safety glass windows, like we mentioned inside, nice feature to have on an RV. Again, this one was ordered with the metal exterior siding. Now down below, you'll see pop up here little brackets where you can actually fasten, tie down, and strap this down. So that is a nice feature to have if you're going to park this thing permanently. You have traditional RV steps going in and out of the RV. Again, a lot of people put decks and stuff around them, so there's no need or want for the heavier duty flip down steps. Two outdoor speakers, large folding entry handle, and then next to that entry handle you'll see your model number. That's where the RV factories usually locate their model numbers on new and used RVs. Dual axle, furnace exhaust out right here. Now, this one was ordered with the 10-gallon gas and electric water heater that you're seeing right here. Now, there is an electric switch to turn it on electric. located right down here on the left. The gas switch for it is actually inside on the monitor panel. You just push a button and it lights on gas. On the rear of the coach, you have another entry door, which you've seen when we were inside, goes into the back bathroom and then into the second bedroom right there. There's a little latch hold back there, so if you wanted to, there's a screen door there. You could technically leave that door open. Porch light up top there. Cable and satellite inlet wiring is right back here on the back as well. 50 amp electric service, which your power cord is right there where it actually plugs in at. Black tank flush for the second bathroom is located right here. Now you also have a dump back here, gray and black dump. Because again, you have two bathrooms, completely far apart, almost at opposite ends of the RV. So there are technically two dumps for this RV. 3 slide outs on the unit. All 3 slide outs are electric slides with manual overrides in case of an electronic failure. All 3 slide outs are also pre-prepped for slide out awning toppers. If you wanted to put toppers on there, talk with your salesperson about that as well. You have some storage here, which goes underneath of that completely removable bed in that second bedroom. So you could, from outside, slip some things underneath of there. Going on up this direction here, we're going to have the second dump or main dump area right here that you'll see pop up. And your black tank flush as well for the main bathroom. And down below is the freshwater tank drain. So if you do have to use your freshwater tank, that is where the drain handle is for that. More storage, which this goes underneath the master bedroom area. Full walk-on roof, so you can get up there, walk around, maintain things. Again, just make sure there's nothing sharp in your shoe tread so you don't accidentally damage the roof. But it is a full walk-on roof. Gutters run down both sides of the RV to try and help keep it clean. Your city water and freshwater hookups are right here on this corner. Now you're also going to see your weight stickers and tire stickers, that type of information pop up here on the screen. And it's also going to be down in the description as well. Again, guys, thanks for checking out my RV videos. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon if you're interested in keeping up with more of these RV videos, guys. Thanks again.